Okay, today we're going to be briefly going over my project proposal for CS326. Okay, so today I'm going to be presenting the idea, the HVV, or Hafelfall as we say in German, S-Bahn planner. So this is for your trips that you're taking around Hamburg, Germany, planning your trips. So here is what it's all about. Let me jump into presentation mode and show you. Boom. Okay, so what problems are we solving? Well, public transit users need a reliable and user-friendly tool to plan their routes and track their previous journeys. Okay. Also, in Hamburg, Germany, we have a prominent train system known as S-Bahn, Stadt or city train for short. The objective, well, we're going to develop a web application that provides an intuitive user interface to manage, visualize, and book trips. Okay, let's see how it works. So I'm going to hop around a little bit because we have some UI previews, but let's stay on track. I'm not sure exactly the proper format for this slideshow presentation, but we're going to go and play it a little bit ad hoc. Okay, so where do we leave off? Features, features. Yep. Route planning with a visual map, detailed journey information, previous trip tracking, all the good, all the bells and whistles you'd expect, including user authentication for a personalized experience. Now, I want people to be able to use it without logging in, because I think it provides value even without requiring user credentials. However, I think that we can enhance value if we can remember the sessions, persistent sessions that the user is on as they continue using the app. Okay, so target audience, daily commuters, occasional travelers, tourists. I guess commuters planning daily travel will find this to be a useful application, and people who are just generally wanting to track where they're going, explore maybe either new to the city and they want to explore the S-Bahn map and figure out where they are. This is a perfect use case for that. Okay. Front end. So this is pretty simple. The front end implementation is basically as prescribed by the project requirements. So I don't have to take a long time to go through this, but we're going to build UI components. We're going to build some HTML, some CSS, some JavaScript, all the good stuff. Okay, so backend, same old, Node.js, Express, user authentication, APIs. We're going to do Express, routing the APIs. The stuff that you do when your first project, full stack. MongoDB, suitable for database for storing trip data. It doesn't really matter. I like the document store just because it's fast and easy to get started with. And the data needs are very rudimentary. Here's the UI preview. So as you can see right here, I'm not the best graphic designer in the world, but I have a small prototype. So we have the S-Bahn map. So this is the map that shows you where the train routes run and the stops that go between them. We have a start and a go. This is like start and going to, so similar to what we'd have in, let's say, a Google Maps interface. And then this is going to be the box that's going to be populated with data, information on the trip that you selected once you have begun selecting information, inputting it. So log into retail, that's a typo. Retain previous journeys. So signing in lets you do that. Here is how it looks if you've logged in and you've selected. Now, this was pretty tedious to create in Figma because you have all these different stuff, boxes they have to draw and all that kind of stuff. So it's kind of gotten a little crazy. But I'm gonna probably do some more refinement in the actual UI implementation. You can see the previous trips are basically a skeleton layout of the previous trips. You can highlight them, click them in order to see the previous trip. And then you're able to see the stops. The lines will even have the estimated travel times, which will have a table which tells us the amount of time it takes to get from one stop to another. We'll have that populated so that you can easily see from anywhere to anywhere, including transfer times, how long it should take. Let's keep on going. So this is basically the journey. All the map basically builds, reacts to what you input right here. Okay. Conclusion. So innovative solutions, all the buzzwords these days, and then we hope to ship it soon. It's going to be fun. I can't wait to work on this. It seems like it's going to be not extremely large, but I want to be able to execute this with uh, I want to have a very strong execution. Instead of expanding my scope, I want to have a small scope, well executed. And I promise to deliver something that'll look pretty cool and will be a very good foyer, that word, into my JavaScript life. Okay, thank you. Appreciate your time. It went 30 seconds over. Hopefully that's okay. Okay, see ya.